The cheek.
Look at your milky face.
Oh, the milky pig.
Okay, good morning, you guys. Welcome to another video. Sometimes I like to post often, and then I go on these moments where I don't. Well, right now I am working on a video because I am on Accutane, so I'm working on like just kind of clips here and there to show my progress, but that'll be a whole separate thing. This is the next day after the severe warning, storm, the surgery. There's no work for me today because of the severe storm. There's no school for the kids because I worked at the school district, so if there's no school, then I don't have work. But so it's been nice, you know, kind of like old times. Whoever used to watch my vlogs years ago when I used to be a stay-at-home mom and I had a rocker at my apartment in California. I used to wake up way earlier than it's 9. So I used to wake up at 6 with this guy or earlier. But anyways, I slept in. I drank my coffee. I had peanut butter toast. And right now I was watching a movie on my phone. And my... yeah, you guys. So I know, like, I posted in the summer that I found a job, which I did. I was working at a clinic. I don't know if I like shared anything about that, but oh, he wants to show you that one. But anyway, I'm not at the clinic anymore. I found a job more along my needs and my just what I wanted to do, what I want to keep doing. Now I'm a paraeducator at the school district, so I love it. I could tell you guys more about that another day, but anyways, David, the Hubs, he is doing he's doing okay. Like, I feel he's doing okay. He's, you know, when you have that kind of surgery, there's a lot of, you know, stuffiness, but he's taking his meds. Yesterday was kind of crazy after because of the storm. My dad had to actually take me to Walmart because it got really bad after those clips.
I think my friend and I stole Isaac Red House.
Isaac's his best friend. Isaac's my older son.
Milky Yummy Red House.
All right. Well, I'll talk to you guys later, but I just wanted to share my morning. Now go ahead and, like, it doesn't look that bad up here, but I mean, it's not bad. I'm sure a lot of you that grew up around here are probably like, oh, this is nothing, but you know, it's obviously enough to cancel school, and which I'm glad, because as you can tell, I'm also like sick, or I don't know what I got going on, but my throat hurts. It's been going on for a long time. My throat hurts. I'm stuffy, and also the kids. Good. We're out here trying to make a snowman, and there's hi.
Mom, look.
But it is not even cold. It's like, oh wow, make a ball with your gloves.
Ew, there's bugs right there.
Here, Ada, there's rocks, baby. They're not bugs, they're rocks.
Oh. Then where can we find that? I'm gonna get more snow. Mom, there's enough snow to make snow angels. Mom, there's enough snow to make snow angels. Mom, if someone's digging our snow, then if someone's digging our snow, then when are we gonna play with snow? I'm trying to climb too.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Wait, Anna, That's one.
Yeah, you can take off the gloves. So I...
Mom, Grandpa's in the van.
Make a snow angel. There's Ada trying to make a snowman.
Here's my snow angel.
There's your snow angel.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
I know, I saw it. It's okay.
Yeah, but you don't want it anymore.
It's okay. We can make it again.
I thought you didn't want it anymore. Hey, ice cream. How did I miss? I missed. I'll catch you. Maybe I'll just throw it on your phone a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine. No, throw it up here, okay?
Más adelante que es donde tiene la fuerza.
Yeah. That's my dad. Say hi, Dad. So we went to go, we were out and about trying to get a tire for my van. That's a whole nother story, but now we're here by the lake. This is the lake, guys. And this is grass. But this is my girly. You're making a snow angel? Look how beautiful. It's like nice and fresh. So
Perfect.
ah, yeah. She doesn't like to wear her gloves. I don't know why.
Snowing so hard. Where's everyone else?
Yes, sir.
No, go outside.
No, let's make a snowman and then
This?
here.
Ah, grab it. In there. Hey, why not?
Está frío.
That's why you should buy gloves for yourself. I'm riding on a horse.
No, let's make a snowman.
I'm gonna bring the body. Oh.
Oh, mira, Isaac. Isaac doesn't get it. Ah! Okay.
No! That's perfect.
Okay, but we're gonna put the head on, Ada. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Then we made a carrot and some rock.
Wow.
Now let's smush it.
No, wait. Where's the carrot?
We don't have a carrot.
Oh, man. Look for a stick. Vamos a darle la cabeza. Go for it. This is their snowman.
Mommy, why does this keep flying? And say I'm about to smash it.
I guess he wants to smash it.
And 1, 2, 3. I'll throw this in the lake.
We're at the lake right now. It's completely frozen. Grandpa's just watching. Okay, now we're having some bone broth soup. So good. And David is doing, how are you doing, David? He's doing okay. He's doing... Are you in a lot of pain? He's in a lot of pain. He's like, yeah. I mean, pretty much he had his nose like redone, so he's feeling it now. So we're just kind of laying low here at home, and yeah, but it's all for a good cause, so he can breathe, because he has a hard time. He used to breathe only from one nostril and not the other one, so that was not okay. And the surgery is gonna open up both of them, and it's just gonna be a lot better. So that's kind of where we're at with him. So keep him in your prayers, guys.